Ciao, I'm Chiara Frigo, choreographer and performer. And if I have to pick up a word to define myself, I would choose tightrope walker. I think it kind of describe my feeling in life at this moment, but also the position I put myself during a creative state.
My name is Marigia Maggipinto. I am a dancer, a choreographer and a performer. I'm a mother and I love to research, study, learn as much as I can and to grow into something that discovering things I don't know. And I'm very, very curious, and curiosity brings me to learn things more and more.
We chose Miss Lala at Circo Fernando. That is in fact the title of a painting of Degas, and actually it's the story of this acrobat that is hanging in the circus. I kind of like the idea to choose the magician of the circus as a place where things can happen, and in which Marigia Maggipinto, that is the main and the only protagonist of the performance, to tell some stories and to play with people.
I'm very fortunate, I'm very happy that I've met this wonderful person, Chiara Frigo, and to start this process of creation with her. I completely trust her. I think there is also a mutual trust that is very important in the process of creation. And I think you can feel on your skin when you meet someone that you can start something, to create something together. So we decided to do it.
Actually, the attempt was to translate in a performance what I personally live daily or when I met Marigia. So this feeling of to be lucky and gift to witness some of her stories, some of her artistic stories in life. And so the attempt is to recreate this atmosphere very similar to a private house in which you can enter, one spectator at a time, to listen and to experience some anecdotes and life fragments.
I am a character, I have a personality that I really like to share things and to bring people into make a journey with me in stories that happen, that connect us as human beings, as people. And so inspiring also somebody else's life with your own, experience and with your own, finding connections that links you to your own life with something that is maybe yours, that you find in a story that is mine. I don't know. It's a little bit this kind of searching. I think this is more the vision of Chiara. But I like it. I found myself in a way in her vision. I can see what she sees, and I can see that it's also mine. So I think this is just a name, but what is behind this name? It's me. it's her, it's what we want to share.
So the keywords, I would choose the word contrast. As we are facing in the process, there is some contrast between the colors of Marigia's atmosphere. Like sometimes it's more funny, sometimes it's really deep in the things she says and she tells. And the mood itself is warm, red, and in the circus place. And then stepping out of the circus, there will be a blue, white, and snowy atmosphere waiting for the spectator.
Okay, I agree, for example, with what Chiara said, contrast. That is true. I will say that it's also very a concrete things, but also very mystic and spiritual. And that has to do with it's a connection with global, universal, but also in a single, simple daily life experience of a human being.